Good morning, Tom. I hope you are feeling good today.
Good morning, Sarah. I am feeling great and very relaxed this morning.
That's nice to hear. Do you want to talk about something?
Yes, I do. I was wondering if you have some free time right now.
Yes, I have time. I finished my work early today.
That's perfect. I have a fun idea that I want to share with you.
Really? I'm excited already. What is your idea?
I think we should plan a vacation together and take a long break.
A vacation sounds amazing. I really need some rest.
We both work very hard every day, so we deserve a holiday.
I agree with you. Where do you want to go?
I want to go somewhere with warm weather and lots of sunshine.
I feel the same way. I don't like cold places at all.
Do you like spending time at the beach?
Yes, I love the beach because it makes me feel calm and happy.
That's great, because I love the beach too.
I enjoy listening to the sound of the waves and feeling the sand.
How do you feel about going to Hawaii for our vacation?
Hawaii sounds perfect and very exciting.
The islands are beautiful and the weather is usually sunny.
We can swim every day and relax under the sun.
We can also walk along the beach in the evening.
That sounds very peaceful and romantic.
When do you think we should go on this trip?
Next month would be a good time for me.
Next month works well for me too.
Let's check the calendar and see our free days.
The first week of the month is open for both of us.
How many days can we stay there?
We can stay for 7 full days.
7 days is perfect for a relaxing holiday.
That will give us enough time to rest and enjoy.
Yes, we really need a long break from work.
Are you sure you want to go to Hawaii?
Yes, I'm completely sure and very excited.
Okay then, Hawaii it is.
I feel so happy just thinking about it.
Me too. Let's start planning everything right now.
Let's use my computer so we can book our flights online.
Okay, I'm ready to start planning.
The computer is on, and I am opening the travel website.
Great. Please search for flights from New York to Hawaii.
I can see several airlines offering flights.
Look at that one. The price looks reasonable.
Yes, and the flight leaves early in the morning.
I like morning flights because I feel more energetic.
Me too. Morning flights are usually quieter.
Is this a direct flight or does it stop somewhere?
It has one stop, but the waiting time is short.
That's okay. One stop is not a problem.
Which class should we choose? Economy or business?
Let's choose economy class because it is cheaper.
That's a good idea. We can save money for activities.
Now we need to choose our seats.
Which seat do you want?
I want a window seat so I can look outside.
You really like watching the clouds, don't you?
Yes, it makes me feel relaxed during the flight.
I will choose an aisle seat so I can move easily.
That sounds fair.
How many bags are we taking with us?
We will bring 2 suitcases.
Okay. I am adding checked baggage now.
Is travel insurance included in the ticket?
No, but I can add it for extra safety.
Please add it. It makes me feel more comfortable.
All right. I am booking the tickets now.
Are we officially booked?
Yes, the booking is complete.
That's great news. Please check your email.
I see the confirmation email right here.
Now the trip feels real and exciting.
Now let's find a nice hotel for our stay.
I would love a hotel near the beach.
Look at this one. It is a large beach resort.
Wow, it looks very beautiful and fancy.
This hotel has 3 swimming pools.
That's amazing. I love swimming every day.
Let's look at the room pictures.
The room has a big bed and a balcony.
It also has a beautiful ocean view.
That view looks romantic and peaceful.
Does the hotel include breakfast?
Let me read the details carefully.
Take your time.
Yes, breakfast is free every morning.
That's perfect. I love hotel breakfasts.
Me too, especially coffee and eggs.
Is there a gym or fitness center?
Yes, there is a modern fitness center.
That's great for morning exercise.
The reviews are very positive.
Most guests give 5-star ratings.
They say the staff is friendly and helpful.
Let's book this hotel now.
I am entering our travel dates.
7 nights, right?
Yes, 7 nights exactly.
Please enter your name and address.
Done. Everything looks correct.
Confirm the booking.
It's confirmed. We have our hotel.
Our dream vacation is finally real.
Our trip is tomorrow, so we need to pack today.
Yes, let's start packing early.
Please bring the suitcases.
They are already on the bed.
What should I pack first?
Start with your clothes.
I will pack 3 pairs of shorts.
Don't forget to pack your t-shirts.
I'm packing 5 t-shirts.
Make sure you bring your swimsuit.
I will bring my blue swimsuit.
You should also pack a light jacket.
That's true. Planes are usually cooled.
What shoes are you bringing?
I will bring sandals and sneakers.
Do you have sunscreen with you?
No, I forgot to buy some.
That's okay. I have extra sunscreen.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
Where is your camera?
It's in my backpack.
Don't forget the charger as well.
Good reminder. I'm packing it now.
And your toothbrush?
It's already in my bag.
Do we need passports for this trip?
No, it's a domestic flight.
The bags are full now.
Let's close the zippers.
We are ready for tomorrow.